We've been working with Karula for over 5 years now, and over the last 3 years in particular, they've worked tremendously to improve the relationship between the managers and the learners and ourselves. And they now have extensive knowledge of apprenticeships, how they run. They're very supportive with our learners. They support the off-the-job training hours and celebrate learner successes through rewards internally within their business.
My name's Victoria Horse. I'm the Learning and Development Manager for Karula Group. We are just so very proud to be a finalist in the Paragon Awards. For us, it's a testament to the work that we've done to build relationships, grow our partnership over the past 5 years. And to win this award again would be a fantastic achievement for Karula, as we're a huge advocate for apprenticeships. The award would demonstrate Karula's dedication to growing and developing our talent through the use of apprenticeships.
So NHS professionals have so many layers of fantastic support and recognition available to their apprentices, from things like the compelling employee journey, which was endorsed by their C-level, to really lay out a groundwork and a belief that all apprentices can receive the training through apprenticeships, or rather all employees can receive the training through apprenticeships to become a senior member or even a CEO. And it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be in that organization, but that they're going to equip them with the knowledge, skills and behaviors to really have that kind of level of social mobility, and to have that level of commitment to apprenticeships is just something that really inspired me, and is so rare and not something that you see everywhere.
Hi, I'm Lee Fletcher and I work at NHS Professionals as a talent manager. My role and the talent management team are here to encourage everyone in our organisation to have a compelling employee journey, where everyone is empowered, engaged and can excel. We are thrilled to be recognised by Paragon on the category of Large Employer of the Year. The nomination itself is a testament of the year's hard work and commitment, and we feel privileged to be recognised and celebrated for our achievements. The future of apprenticeships holds significant promise and potential for us. As the world continues to evolve, apprenticeships are expected to adapt and play a crucial role in preparing individuals for the workforce for tomorrow. The future holds the potential for expansion, innovation and increased collaboration. By embracing emerging technologies, fostering partnerships and embracing lifelong learning principles, apprentices can continue to provide valuable opportunities for individuals to gain practical skills, secure a compelling employee journey and contribute towards a great organisation.